Tired of squinting at tiny text or oversized headings that throw off your entire slide design? You are not alone. Most people waste way too much time clicking through every drop-down option, hoping to land on the perfect size. But here is the good news. By the end of this tutorial, you will know the fastest way to change font size in Google Slides. And I mean the absolute fastest. We will cover how to select your text, use the toolbar, and even type in a custom size for total control. Let us dive in. All right, I'm going to show you a real presentation right now, so you can follow along exactly. Let us start with the first step. Open your presentation in Google Slides. This might be something you already have sitting in your Google Drive, or maybe you just created a fresh one. Either way, get it open and on your screen. The key here is to have the slide with the text you want to adjust visible. Now, you need to select the text you want to modify, and this is where a lot of people make a simple mistake. They click on the text box itself, which selects the whole box, but what you really want to do is highlight the specific words or sentences. So click and drag your mouse across the text, just the part you want to change. If you want to change everything in that text box, you can triple click inside it to select all of it at once. That is a huge time saver. So now that you have got your text highlighted, let us move on to the toolbar. Look up at the menu bar at the top of your screen. You will see a drop-down that probably shows a number, like 12 or 18. That is the font size drop-down. Click on it. Here is the really important part. A list of common sizes will pop up. You will see sizes like 12, 18, 24, and so on. You can just click one of those, and it will apply immediately to your selected text. It is that simple. But what if the size you need is not on that list? What if you need a very specific number, like 37.5? Do not worry. That is where this tool really shines. Instead of scrolling through the whole list, just click back into that font size field. It will highlight whatever number is currently there. Now, type your custom size directly. You can type 27, you can type 42, or even something with a decimal point, like 24.6. Google Slides handles it beautifully. Then, and this is the final step, press the Enter key on your keyboard. That is it. The moment you hit Enter, the text snaps to your exact custom size. No guessing, no clicking around. Look at what just happened. You went from squinting at the default 14-point font to having perfectly sized text in seconds. That is the kind of workflow efficiency we love here at AI Mastery. No wasted clicks, no frustration, just clean, fast design. So next time you are building a presentation and the font just does not look right, remember, you have total control. You're not stuck with the defaults. And if you found this helpful, stick around for more quick tips to make your slides look professional without the headache. Happy presenting!